In this video, I'll show you how to make amazing progress bars in CapCut PC in 60 seconds. Start by adding a default text layer, then delete the default text. Change the background color and set rounded rectangle to 100%. Now press spacebar and change font size to create a rounded rectangle. Duplicate this layer and change the bottom layer's background color. Convert the top layer into a compound clip. Add a rectangle mask. Resize, invert, and set rounded corners to 100%. Convert the bottom layer to a compound clip and apply a split mask. Rotate it to -90 and move left to hide the bar. Set a position keyframe. Move the timeline slider to the clip's end. Move the mask right until the bar is fully visible. Done. Thanks for watching.